tough game, also because Juventus played a solid game. I believe that the moment that the game changed was last 2 minutes of the second quarter, where we were in control. We finished very bad. Turnovers, bad defensive decisions, and then it became a game where we need to do everything from the beginning. We played. It was very difficult for my players to find the right tension because after the game in Belgrade, but we go home with a win. We did all the right things after that we messed up. We did all the right things, offensively and defensively. And it's the win doesn't look good, but it tastes amazing.
Sunkios rungtynės, nes Juventus šiandien sužaidė tikrai solidžiai. Kas pakeitė rungtynės, tai paskutinės 2 minutės antrajame kėlinyje, kai mūsų klaidos, blogi sprendimai lėmė, kad varžovai grįžo į rungtynės ir viską turėjome pradėti nuo pat pradžių. Žinoma, buvo sunku žaisti po tokių rungtynių kaip Belgrade, bet svarbiausia, kad pasiekėme pergalę. Rungtynių pabaiga darėme teisingus sprendimus tiek puolime, tiek gynyboje. Ir nors pergalė nėra graži, bet svarbiausia, kad yra iškovota.
Hello, coach. Sylvain Francisco was 0 from 7 till the last shot. Is it how Sylvain Francisco is supposed to play in the last minutes? Is it about Sylvain Francisco, the last shot?
We take all the good and all the bad of Sylvain. He's a very pure soul. He spent a lot of energies in Belgrade, played a great game. Was not easy to regenerate for him. I planned a different day for him, okay. But then we messed up. Iggy had foul troubles. Bujka and Juzenas combined for almost 20 minutes, okay. And Isaiah, it's first game, so we need to go very slowly. And then Dove is coming back from the injury, so he had to play a different game. I believe that he wasn't good, but then in the last 5 minutes, I would say last 3-4 minutes of the fourth quarter and the overtime, he did what we needed. And he has a very clear role in our team, in good days and bad days. So I take the whole package.
Klausimas buvo apie Silveiną Francisco, kuris buvo prametęs 7 metimus iki lemiamo metimo. Tai treneris atsakė, kad priemame ir gerus ir blogus dalykus iš Silveino. Jis žaidžia iš širdies, turėjo tikrai stiprias rungtynes Belgrade, po kurių jam nebuvo lengva atsigauti. Šiam planavome jam kitokias rungtynes, bet patys prisidirbome. Po to Igi turėjo problemų dėl pražangų. Juzienas ir Bujka vis tiek žaidė 20 minučių, Aizėja buvo pirmos rungtynės, todėl turėjome šiek tiek jį palengvai vesti rungtynės. Dovis grįžęs po traumos, tad planas buvo kitoks. Tačiau, kad ir nebuvo labai geros Silveno rungtynės, bet ketvirto kėlinio paskutinės 3-4 minutės ir pratęsime jis darė tai, ko reikėjo komandai.
You mentioned already about Juzienas, but he got minutes even in overtime. Is it a big push-up, in your opinion, for him as for such a young player?
He already took the shot to basically win the game, and it was a very good shot. I like the way he played. I needed a player that was willing to sacrifice on defense and take open shots. He did the job, and he deserved to play even in the overtime.
Klausimas buvo apie Mantą Juzieną, kuris žaidė ir pratęsime, ar tai geras postūmis jaunam žaidėjui. Jis metė metimą, kuris galėjo nulemti rungtynes, tai buvo geras metimas, jis taip pat aukojosi gynyboje ir buvo vertas žaisti ir pratęsime.
And of course it's very early to talk, but what is the very first impression about Isaiah Wong?
A humble kid, came with the right mindset, It will take time. He had some talent. He also has to learn how to play. The most difficult thing for him is the shot selection. Okay, but I believe that, as I said, this team is gonna go where the players we already have is gonna take us. Okay, and we needed a guard to help Dovis and Cisco. He has good dribble, good handling. He has 2 legs, and he has to find a way to help us. It's very simple. Does he have the talent to do it? Yes. When it's going to happen, we will see. The team is like a train. The train is running, and we won't stop. He has to catch us.
Koks pirmasis įspūdis apie Isaiah Wongą? Jis atvyko su teikiamu nusiteikimu, žinoma, jam prireiks laiko, tačiau jis turi talento, svarbiausia, kad išmoktų žaisti kaip reikia būtent čia. Taip pat svarbu metimų pasirinkimas, tačiau svarbiausia, kad ši komanda keliaus tiek, kiek dirbs jau čia esantys žaidėjai. Yra Dovis, yra Francisco, tai jisai tiesiog turi padėti, tam talento turi, tačiau šiek tiek prireiks laiko, kad išmoktų, kaip čia reikia žaisti būtent čia Kaune.
Hello, coach. In a lot of Isaiah's scouting reports, it was highlighted his abilities to play pick and roll. Was that something that caught your eye as well?
I look to the things that is quick, is bouncy, he can handle, but what we need now is that he rebounds and he understands the defensive system. Then, when he plays defense, rebound, and defend understand the defensive system, we can see about his pick and roll game. We can talk about that.
Scouting reportuose buvo daug minima, kad naujokas gerai moka žaisti pick and roll, ar tai jūs ir sužavėjo. Jis yra greitas, jis yra staigus, bet dabar svarbiausia, kad jis kovotų dėl kamuolių ir suprastų gynybos sistemą. Kai jis supras gynybos sistemą, tada galėsime jau kalbėti ir apie pick and roll ar kitus dalykus.
After less than 3 minutes, you subbed him out, talked with him, Isaiah. Talked with him, and after 30 seconds, put him on the court as well. Can you elaborate what were you trying to explain to him?
I'm trying to do my job. I believe that we had one practice yesterday, so the game is a way to teach him. So I believe that he took some decision that has to be polished, and I took him out and put him back, explaining, because the game goes up and down, so I cannot do it like in practice. In practice I can stop and tell him, so it's a routine thing, nothing special.
Isaiah Wongas sužaidė 3 minutės, po to buvo pakeistas ir vėl grąžintas į aikštelę, ką per tą laiką jam paaiškinote. Tiesiog atlieku savo darbą, turėjome vakar vieną treniruotę, tad dabar tenka mokytis rungtynėse. Tikrai yra ką šlifuoti ir kadangi tai nėra treniruotė, kurią galiu sustabdyti, tai teko išimti, paaiškinti ir vėl grąžinti aikštę, bet tai tiesiog yra rutininis dalykas.
And last question, Alan and Biras played together for a bit today. We also saw that in Belgrade, but we assumed it's because of Petrushev back then. Is that something that we can expect more in the future?
You assume the wrong things. Don't assume. It's something that we have planned, and we are gonna try to do it. This gives us size, athleticism. Alan is playing very good, so it's something that we're trying to implement in our system.
Alenas žaidė kartu su Laurinu Biručiu, ar taip ir buvo planuota? Taip, toks yra planas. Šis tandemas duoda ūgio, atletiškumo, Alenas šiuo metu žaidžia gerai, tad bandome tai dar labiau integruoti į mūsų žaidimą.